What's going on, guys? It's Patrick from Purple Park Studios dash Lumalion, whichever you might be following me from. For those of you who don't know, Lumalion is my tech company that I've started, and Purple Park Studios, for those of you who do know, who have been following the channel, is the 3D YouTube channel that I've had, where I do a lot of Blender tutorials, green screen tutorials, and all that kind of fun stuff. So those two are kind of getting merged together here. So we're going to be learning 3D stuff, we're going to be learning tech stuff. We're also going to be showcasing, like what we're doing today, one of the applications I built, which is a secrets manager. It lives on your desktop, it's completely local. It's a great place to store API keys, passwords, just things you forget that you need all the time. For someone like me who does a lot of stuff with development, I'm always getting API keys, or this key or that key or this secret key or password. So I built Lumalok as a solution to keep track of all this stuff. So we're gonna dive in and take a look at it. So let's just start. All right, guys, so today we're gonna be talking about Lumalok. So what exactly is Lumalok? So it's a fully offline encrypted secrets manager. You can store your API keys, passwords, sensitive data, and it never leaves your machine. So let's click learn more here. You can get this on lumalion.com, which is my website for tech. We also have some other products on here, which LumaKit will be talking about in a future video. But Lumalok's here, you can read more about it. But if you don't have it and you want to follow along with this tutorial, you're going to go ahead and click download for Windows. So that's going to put the exe in your download folder here. So I already have it installed, but we can go ahead and click this for the sake of the video. So then you're going to go ahead and hit next. So next we're going to go ahead and hit install. And you can go ahead and hit finish. So once you've got it downloaded on your computer, you'll notice that right here, let's go full screen. You'll notice that right here it's asked me to enter a master password, but yours might look a little different. And if this is your first time with Lumalok, you're going to need to go ahead and create your master password. So if you're being prompted to create a master password, go ahead and create it, but please create something that you will remember, because if you forget your master password, you're not going to be able to get back in to Lumalok without completely. If you click forgot password, it's going to wipe all your secrets, and you're going to have to reset everything. You don't want to lose your secrets, so just make something that you will remember. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit unlock vault. So I'm inside the vault here, and inside of Lumalok you can see that we have an overview. So it's going to list our total projects we have. So I have 9 total projects. It's going to list our entries. I have 25 total entries or secrets in here. None are expiring soon. You can set expire dates, which we'll get into then. And then here it lists all of the projects. So the way things work in Lumalok is you can create a project. And then inside each project, so if I click, for example, Lumalion, it's going to show me everything that I have associated with that project. So I have Grok API key, OpenAI API key, a Resend API key, Supabase database URL, Gmail, blah, blah, blah. You get it. And we can click through these projects, and you can see I've got different secrets associated with different projects. And then at the top, you can, if you have a bigger project that maybe has a ton, if we actually go to the overview here, or I'm sorry, search all, that'll show all the secrets total that I have in my Lumalok. You can filter by password and API key, which you can set as tags. So I guess the best way is to just demonstrate it by going and creating a new project. So we're going to call this tutorial, and I'm going to go ahead and hit create. So now I'm inside my tutorial project, and I haven't added anything yet. So I can go up here to the top. I'm going to click add entry, and now I'll be prompted to add my key. So we're going to put test key. And we're going to go ahead and change the category to token, because why not? And we're going to put this is a test for the value secret. You can also view your value and secret here. It's under tutorial. We can change the project if we wanted to, but we're going to leave it under tutorial today so I don't mess anything up. And we can set an expiry date. So let's actually do that. I'm going to set it for the 18th. And then we can tag, so I'm going to put secret, I'll put token, and let's just put it password too, just so it shows up under that password. And you can put a note here, I'll just put some scribble. We'll go ahead and save the entry. So now we can see that the entry has been saved here, and it's labeled as token. We can hit the little I here to view that this is a test, that's our value in there. And then you can copy to clipboard here for quick access if you need to copy and paste somewhere. It also shows us here a little badge expiring in 3 days, and we can also delete the secret as well. So what we can do then, if we go back to this overview here, now we can see one is expiring soon, and it shows us here it's the test key, 3 days left, and we have an alert here. So this is a really good way to keep track of stuff that might be expiring. And then obviously you can delete projects, all that kind of stuff as well. I'm going to go ahead and delete this here. Delete project. This will permanently delete the project tutorial and all entries. So I'm going to delete the project and all those entries. You can also export a backup or import a backup. So everything gets saved in a .lumalok folder, all your secrets, all your encrypted data. So you can export your encrypted data here. So we can export this and we can choose where we want to save it. And this is great because say you're getting a new laptop or something, you can export all of your encrypted secrets, and then on your new laptop you can re-download Lumalok and then go import backup and just import that file that you exported. Then you have all your secrets. We also have a new feature here, settings. I have it enabled right now. You can enable LumaKit, which is an agent framework I've built, which we're going to cover in a future video. But just know that you can enable the agent to have access to this stuff so the agent can help with projects. So yeah, guys, that's a quick overview of Lumalok. I've also put the links to Lumalok.com and where you can download Lumalok for free in the comments of this video. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.